Hi all, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we are going to see str typecasting function. So typecasting function is a function which you can use to convert data from one data type to another data type. So here str function converts data from another data type to string data type. So any data type to string data type conversion is possible. Right, so now we will try this with different data type. For example, I am taking here one integer, so I am taking here 18, and before conversion I am checking its data type of I, type I. Next I have converted into string, so we'll take str function, then I am passing print data type of S is type S. And we will print this on the console. So it is not like that you are going to get two quotes in output, but it has converted into string. Sorry, I should take here S. So if I run this code again, so I am getting here S as 18, and before conversion its data type was integer, and after conversion its data type was became string because of this str function. Now we will try with another data types. So for example, F I am taking, F is equal to 18.4. So now I will convert that into, so before conversion we will print its data type. Data type of F, type F I am taking, then we will convert into string. So S is equal to str of F, print data type of S is type S. So now if I run this, so before conversion it was float, and after conversion it became str. So in this way we will try with remaining. So I am taking here complex, so 7 plus 8j I am taking, print C after conversion. So we will take here str of C. Then we will check for boolean also. B is equal to true I am taking, print B after conversion, str of B. Right, so in this way we can check now. So what it has done, so this complex is there, so it is just one number, so complex number, it has just converted into string. Then true, this is boolean, so it has converted into just string. So any data type to string conversion is possible, right? So in this way we have seen str function. So if you like the video, please like and share. If you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.